Every time a customer visits your site or asks you a question, what really matters? Your product does, of course, but so does fast, accurate, and thoughtful customer service. BotCentral is AI for a successful customer experience. Everything we do is rooted in knowledge about your content, business, processes, and how you want to communicate. Our approach is to apply knowledge-driven bots that adapt to your unique customer experience. A user bot converses directly with your customers about frequently asked questions, helps in shopping for products and deals, and is quick to assist on account balances, refunds, and exchanges. Your team can also benefit from an AI. An agent advisor bot can listen in on a customer support chat and suggest helpful answers, making it possible for your agents to provide quick, accurate, and consistent service. Finally, you can use task bots to work silently behind the scenes, auto-responding to emails, or resolving customer issues. So, no more support tickets piling up. Your customers get the help they need when they need it. And the best part? Our bots can be up and running quickly, so you can start saving on your support costs, scaling your business, and improving your bottom line immediately. That's BotCentral. Intelligence at your service.